Gulls, like trolls, are aggressive. Do not feed, there's no need. Disengage your eyes from their gaze, feign indifference to belligerent ways. Keep your sandwich in its wrapper, don't share your battered cod or scratchings. Bullying hatchlings line the harbour wall, let them be bellicose by the sea. Crumbs of comfort hidden away, 'cause giving in to giving makes them more pugnacious. Wild Brid Corporation isn't spying or judging. I fling a spare crust in healthy high dudgeon, catch the truculent gull in a snap for posterity, beak full of bread, defying austerity.